Hello! Today we're going to be going over the instructions on how to turn in your discussion post. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the discussion. Let's get to know each other. When that opens up, you've got your instructions here, and you are going to click this Google presentation, and it's going to ask you to make a copy. So you're going to make a copy, and it'll pop up on your screen. You are going to go through this Google Slides and fill it in with all this information that you're being asked. Once you have everything filled in, you're going to come up here to the top where it says File, click File, and Publish to the Web. When you do that, a box is going to pop up. On this box, there are two options, Link or Embed. We are going to use the Embed option. So you're going to click over here where it says Embed. You're not going to change any of this stuff, and you are going to click Publish. When you do that, this box is going to pop up that says, are you sure you want to publish? You're going to click OK. That way we can publish this slideshow and put it into the discussion post. So click OK. When you click OK, you're going to get an embed code that pops up down here, and it's going to be highlighted in blue. You're going to need to copy this. There are two ways that you can do that. You can right click and click copy, or you can use your keyboard and press the control button and C, and it'll copy it for you. So I'm going to click copy here. Once you have that copied, you're going to go back to your post, back to your discussion post. You're going to come down here to reply, click reply, and it's going to open up this text box for you. What you want to do is you want to click this button right down here in the bottom right corner. It's got these arrows with the little slash. You are going to click that. When you click that, it has switched you to an editor, and you are going to paste your code right into this box. So again, you can either right click and click paste, or you can click Control and V. You're going to post that in. You don't have to do anything to it, just leave it there, and you're going to post reply. And when you do that, after you scroll down, you can see that your slideshow is going to be embedded where people can click through and see everything that you've posted in that slideshow. So if you have any problems with this, have any questions, please let me know. That way I can help you get this done. We are going to be doing things where you embed documents more often in this course. So we're learning it now right at the beginning. That way, as we go through the course, if you ever have to do this again, you know what to do. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.